So I am so sorry I wasn't able to. Well, no, I'm coming late. I'm sorry I'm late. But this is what I've been dealing with all day. Like, I took my hair down and I had to wash it. I had to comb it out. I had to. Now I'm drying it by section, so it's kind of like a blowout. But oh my god. So I meal prepped today, but it was something so basic as far as just really thin filet chicken breast and some broccoli. That's all I'm eating all week. I still have like taco soup in there. Those fucking beans did not like me. And then also I have tacos that I did not make, but my main course I'm going to be eating all week are the chicken breasts and the will be the chicken breast and the broccoli. But this is what I'm stuck with right now. Oh my god, my hair. I did like a 7-hour deep condition on my hair. And then I'm the type, like, I'm not really like how everybody else is when it comes to like their hair. Like, I wash my hair in the shower, like most natural girls, they do. Like, they do it outside of the shower. I wash my hair in the shower. I literally was in the shower for almost 2.5 hours today because I had to comb all of that stuff out. I had to, I twisted it up in the shower, and then I also conditioned it again, and then it was just a lot. And this is what I've been dealing with all day. And I cooked my chicken breast. Back to the meal prep. I meal prepped with my air fryer. I was able to walk away and clean, come back, swap out the chicken breasts, and do that. I haven't cooked the broccoli. I decided I'm going to do it day by day. As far as, like, I'm going to get up tomorrow and I'm going to make, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it tonight I'm going to get my little lunch, pack my lunch with my chicken breast and my frozen broccoli. I don't cook the broccoli, then put in the thing to be reheated up. I put it in there raw and then let it defrost in the refrigerator, and then I heat it up that way. Tastes better to me. But today, besides everything else I had to do today with my hair and stuff like that, like, dealing with the stuff with my family and not being able to physically be there is the hardest part. I am I think like 2,000 miles away, and I'm thinking about just hopping on a flight to go home after my Vegas trip for a weekend, just to get, like, to console my mother. Like, she needs it right now, and to see what's really going on with my sister, like what hospital she's going to be in for this duration. So it's just a lot going on mentally. And the biggest thing about it is that, I just don't want my little sister to be afraid. Like, I don't know, like, I feel like I would rather it be me go through something like this, and it be a learning thing for everybody to see, okay, well, y'all need to get help, because that's just how I am. Like, I'm like the big sister, so I don't want any of my sisters, well, technically I am to her, but I feel like, well, any of my sisters, my older or my younger, like, I don't want any of them to go through anything. So this right here is kind of really hurting me. Only because I'm not there, and I would rather for it to be me and not her, because, like, if I really go into detail everything, like, it's really scary. And I know she's probably afraid, but right now she's just so full of whatever's going on, it's really, like, it's blocking everything. So it's just a little hard mentally mentally right now, and it's so hard not to fall back into old habits. I just deleted my whole video. I don't know, right now it's just really hard to not fall back into bad habits. And I'm just trying to keep positive. Like, I know, she really needs to help, and I know that it's coming. I just wish that I was there and able to assist her and my mother. My mother is doing it by herself. Like, she don't really know nobody. Like, I'm trying to have her exercise the Baker's Act, right, or whatever it is, and no one helps her. Like, Indiana is just horrible. Indiana, judicial system is just, it's just horrible. But prayers is all I really can do, and that's all I can send that way right now. But I just wanted to get on here and make a quick video. I know I said I'm going to be doing this every day, but right now I'm going to do it daily, but it's just going to be sporadic. This is Fat Girl Fight Back.